Hi guys, good morning. Oh, here's my loved ones here. This morning. This is Sarah here. She's grown already. And, oh, you're beautiful there. Look at her now, huh? Oh. You speak, Sarah? You speak something? You say, good morning, sabihin mo. Good morning. Sige, sige. Wala na ka, di na ka makita. Oh, there you go. Ala. There you go. Oh. She'll be 3 years old this July.
Gatang si Bebe ano ba?
Mag-anak? Oh, dera si Bieber, dera si Bieber.
Gatang
Your brother.
kaya ba?
Huh? Oh, kadto. Sige, unya na kay nagkuha pa mag picture pa man ta. You smile na. Sabihin mo, hi.
Asa si Bebe?
Bieber, niya si Bieber. Si Bieber. Oh, ganda Bieber, no? Gwapo Bieber, no? Yeah, look at that. Oh, mabuti na lang, hindi na ito nangangagat. Kahapon to nangangagat to. Siguro na-discipline ni Mami to. Mami is still sleeping though. She sleeps late. She's also insomnia, like me. Pero pinipilit to talaga matulog maaga. Dami siyang problema. So, there. He's also worried, I know. Pero I just keep the worries away. Especially when I'm with my loved ones. Huh? Oh. Oh, sige. So we'll check on that video, huh? There you go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Gagang. Bye-bye. 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 Sige. Bye-bye. Clap. Yay! Bravo! Okay. Tapos tingnan natin, ha? Maglaro siya, ha? Here you go.